Diana Derrick here, rah rah rah. Happy 1st of February. It is Monday, and all this week I'm going to be checking with you to give you 5 minutes of motivation every day. So if you've been feeling a wee bit kind of out of sorts or kind of lost your way with routines, check in with me every day. I'm going to be going through my morning routine, give you a quick update on that. I'll also be telling you what the daily focus is, if you're doing the Fly Ladies plan for the week, and also which zone we are in for our detailed cleaning and decluttering. I've got my Hygge Home journal where I keep my list for my morning routine, and I don't look at my list every day. Most of it is automatic, but on those days that you're really not feeling it, it's a good reminder and a place to start. First of all, jump out of bed, pull back the covers. And then I usually head downstairs with my load of laundry, my LOL for the day. Put on a load of laundry, grab my cup of coffee, eat my breakfast. Then I come upstairs, open the windows in here, head next door to the bathroom and have my shower. Do a quick bathroom check when I'm finished, just so it looks nice when I'm done in there. And then I come in here, and this is where I get dressed, put my makeup, a wee bit of scoosh of perfume, and then I close the windows and make the bed. So that's that done. And then usually by that time my load of laundry, that's finished. I head downstairs, I fold the dry load of laundry and I hang up the wet load. So that's that. And then when I come upstairs with my dry load of laundry, when I'm putting away here in the bedroom, that's when I look at my outfit for the next day, which you can see is hanging on the back of the bedroom door, so check with that. I also check my calendar, see what's coming up for the day, because as I'm 53 years old, postmenopausal, and if you're like me, you kind of forget from one minute to the next what's going on. And also I check my menu plan, what is it we're having for dinner, take anything out of the freezer that we need for that. And also on my checklist here, I've just added things like water and fruit, just to remind me to drink my water during the day, eat some fruit, and also break 15 minutes, because when I left the corporate world, I kind of got out of the habit of remembering to take a break. You know, when you're working in the office, you'll maybe have a cup of coffee with your colleagues, or you're going for lunch. And when you're working from home, or you've got a small kid, we can tend to forget to take the break. So break it for 15 minutes. And I've also written down here my daily exercise. And I do one or maybe two of these things, which is a run or a walk, some kind of stretching. I'm usually out on my bike or a skinny dip, swim in the sea. So it'll be one of those things. You notice there's no decluttering written on my routine. These are the things that I need to get going with my day, and once I've done those things, then I can add in, you know, a wee bit of spot of cleaning or spot of decluttering. The Fly Lady focus for today, for Mondays, is weekly home blessing hour, upkeep, clean, power hour, whatever you want to call it. And remember, you can do it all in one go, or you can split it up over the week, whatever works for you. I've got my wee cleaning caddy and I've got my tasks. And I think today I'm going to be doing the whole thing, and usually I don't even do 10 minutes on each. Quite often 5 minutes is enough for the task, because I'm being consistent with it. The Fly Lady zone for the week, we've got a full week in zone 1. These are my cleaning lists from my Hygge Home binder. It's all in my blog, dianadenmark.com. We are in zone 1, which is the entryway, the hall, the dining room. Now remember, if you're going to be doing any cleaning or decluttering, make sure the rest of your routine is done first. Set your timer for 15 minutes so you're not going overboard with things. Remember, and adapt it to suit you. Don't worry about what everybody else is doing. You work at your own speed. If you have health issues, newly retired, kids that you're looking after, remember not to worry too much about the timing of these things. Don't think to yourself, oh, I need to get it done by, 1 o'clock in the afternoon or 10 o'clock at night. Do one of your tasks at the top of the hour, say, let's say 10 o'clock in the morning. You spend 5 or 10 minutes doing whatever the task is. Maybe it's putting on a load of laundry, maybe it's you're getting yourself dressed. And then the rest of the hour, you get to rest up or relax, whatever you need to do. And then at 11 o'clock, you take the next thing on your list, spend 5 or 10 minutes doing that, and then rest up for the rest of the hour, or you know, you're doing stuff with the kids, or you're homeschooling, whatever it is. So you're moving forward through your day, but you're not putting too much pressure on yourself, okay? And remember, of course, why do you want to do these routines? Because, you know, it makes sense. We've got less stress, we've got more time for the fun stuff. Anyway, on that note, I said I would just make it 5 minutes. A little boost for you today. And I shall leave you with a pom-pom salute. So live long, prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you. Check in with me again tomorrow morning for another 5 minutes of motivation, and I shall see you very soon with a rap, rap, rap. Okay, bye for now.